I'm Mike Jolley, Senior Manager of Technical Support for the EPQ product at Canadian Solar. When you are doing your terminations and your system is commissioned, you'll want to check voltage and polarity. You can check voltage at the load, you can check voltage at the grid, and you can check voltage at the extend ports. And depending on how the extend ports are configured, you may or may not have voltage. For example, if this was configured as a generator, it would be disconnected in its natural form. If it's configured as ACPV or EV charger output, they should be closed and you should have voltage. If you're unsure if the polarity is correct, you can go between your grid and your load and your output ports to make sure that you have zero voltage for your L1 to L1 or your L2 to L2 connections. If you get 240 volts or something like that, you'll know that you've got something cross-wired.